Shelters. We have two examples of our storage sheds here, our original storage shed, 2.7 meter by 2.7 meter and a 5.3 by 2.7 meter. This one is in brick red, and that one's pearl gray with the charcoal gray pillars. This 2.7 one has its door on the front, sliding door on the front. So this opens up this way, and it's got a checkered plate floor, which is also modular. The 5.7 meter one has the client asked for the door to be put on the side. These are our sliding doors, and this is our modular checkered plate. These are purely storage sheds, and we obviously have modular shelving for them if the client requires. These two sheds have just been assembled, ready for delivery to the customers. Sheds and shelters.